Hello everybody and welcome to an episode of Bowmasters. So, yeah, if you want to see my other episode, just that it'll probably show up in this video. So, yeah. I hope you enjoy, and yeah, I did do another video of this, so okay, finally. I thought it was up. It wasn't. When will this be up? Do I have to install this? I won't install it for now. Okay, finally. The only thing I can do is verse computer, so don't really want to buy any characters. I like this one for now. Okay. Oh, got him. What is that? What? Okay, I really want that headshot. Oh, he got it. He got the headshot. He got that headshot. Oh my, how did that go past? I'm 50 miles away or 50 meters away. I don't understand why these people, don't just walk to each other. Oh my! So the angle has to be lower than 16. That seems so low. Lower than 16. I'll do 14 for now. Hopefully it doesn't hit. It won't. Okay, good. So, 12. What? That does not make any sense at all. Okay. So, I guess I should go up to 16. I'll go up to 17. Okay, perfect. So it was 17, so we need to go to 18. I'm getting the hang of this. Okay, 18. Whoa, okay. I guess I couldn't get a finishing shot. That doesn't really matter. Okay. Do I have to watch videos to open these chests? No thanks. Free daily chest, sure. What will it be? I'll try that guy out. Okay, let's see what he's like. Let's see what this does. Whoa. Doesn't do anything when you tap. That was crazy. What is that? What? Oh my goodness. I'll do angle 22. Oh, perfect. I think I might like this guy more than the bow guy. Okay, his leg is tiny bit torn off, so I'll maybe do 25. Okay, this guy's more reasonable answers, so I'll start using this guy. What? Okay, so 25, 20. I'll do 23. Perfect shot. Okay, finish him. And the angle needs to be, so I think I did 23, so it needs to be 24. What? Oh my goodness. He dodged my shot like a ninja master. Okay. So I'm going to switch back to the bow guy. I'm actually going to switch back to the bow guy. I want to try this guy out, but his weapon is a flag. You can see their weapon sort of in the top left corner above their faces. So yeah, wait. So you need to watch 15 videos for this guy. I might grind off camera. So yeah, I actually might grind off camera. I'm going to use this guy. I might grind off camera, so that guy seems pretty close. Oh. Is that bread? How can bread do that much damage to someone? Jeez. I'll go 9 angle. I seriously think he throws bread. I seriously think he throws bread. That looks like bread. What? Oh my goodness. So, I guess I'll go for 11 angle. Seems pretty low. 11 angle. Okay. What? Okay. Oh, headshot. First headshot he got. Oh, come on. That was so close. What? How did that hit my foot? The angle must need to be... I'll do angle 10. What? What? How? How? No. Oh, just barely. So, then I must need 14. Yeah. Okay. I'll do 14 again. What? Okay. So whoa, I'll do one of the new one. I'll do one of this new one, and then I'll end the episode. I know how to aim. So I hit the birds. What? This is hard. So can I change the weapon? I don't think I can now. Oh, yes. Come on. This bird. Oh. Okay, that was pretty hard. No, thank you. Okay, so that'll end today's episode. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.